guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today we are going to be attempting to recreate my wedding hairstyle. I'm going to be using the Irresistible Me extensions that I tried out in a previous video. This is in partnership with Irresistible Me. I do have a code for you and an affiliate link. The code I will have on the screen is IM_Jillian, and that is stackable with any other sales that they have. Also, they are having a Black Friday sale. The day that I'm posting this is Black Friday, and you can save up to 70% off of wigs and up to 65% off everything else. I will get confirmation first whether or not my code still stacks with the Black Friday sales or not, so that will be, the answer will be on the screen there for you. So yeah, if you decide to purchase these extensions or anything off of their website and you do use my affiliate link, I will make a small commission, and I am so grateful and appreciative for the opportunity to work with this brand on another video. And I'm so grateful to you guys for watching and supporting my channel. If you choose to support my channel in that way, or even just by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing, that would also help me out so much. And so yeah, let's talk about the hair. I'm going to obviously show you how I got this look, but I thought it would be fun to try to recreate my wedding hair. So that's what we did. We have some braids, we've got a bun, we've got all the things. So yeah, it actually wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be to recreate. I'm not a professional, obviously, probably. So if you're a hairstylist, and especially if you were my hairstylist that did this, I did my best. Okay, I thought it would be a lot of fun. This could also be fun for like a dance, any old day. The holidays are coming up. This would be super cute for a holiday party. You could add some little like gems or something in there. I think that stuff is coming back, which is a lot of fun. So yeah, go ahead and stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look, and if you want to see how I got this makeup look, I can record that for you if you guys would be interested in watching it. This is also the makeup that I wore for the day of my wedding, except for the lip and the lashes are different, just that they just are. But I can tell you what I wore that day and everything like that. So if you want to see that, let me know down below, and without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've already used a like triple barrel waver on my hair. So we've gotten that far. And then these are the extensions. These are, again, the Irresistible Me hair extensions, the clip-in hair extensions. I already have a video up on my channel unboxing these for the very first time and installing them. I am not a professional. I'm just a regular person. Like, I've used extensions a couple times in the past. I don't wear them all the time, but these are great for like the holidays. If you have special events coming up, that's like when I use extensions. So what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and take them out of the box for you. And again, the code you can use is, I'll have it on the screen too, is IM_Jillian. And I'm pretty sure you can use that on top of any sales going. That's what they had told me in the past. I will get confirmation whether or not you can use the code with the Black Friday sales too, and have that up. So here are these. The style has held from when I initially waved these a while ago. So I wanted to let my hair kind of relax a little bit so it would mesh better with the extensions. So what I'm going to do, this is my hair now, no extensions at all. I'm going to go ahead and install the extensions. And like I said, if you want to see how I install the extensions, you can go back to my previous video with these. I'll have it linked in the description, and I will try to do a pinned comment as well, so it's easy for you to find, of how to install hair extensions. Again, not a professional, it's just how I do it. We are learning together. Okay, so I'm going to install these, and then we're going to come back and we're going to try to recreate my wedding hair. So I'll come back and put a picture on the screen and all of that stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and install these. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the hair with the extensions. I have all of the wefts in except for the two clip wefts. I've actually clipped them together to make one thicker piece. And what I'm going to do with this is in the inspo photo, there is a braid that comes down, so I thought maybe I could wrap this around the bun somehow and like help really thicken up the braid. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. I thought I could like braid it off and then pull it apart and then clip it in. We'll see. So I have some little, oh shit, I just got them everywhere. Some little elastics for the braid, and then I've got some hair clips or bobby pins. I don't have like actual hairpins. Like if you're actually doing this for an event, you'll probably go out and get those things. I don't style my hair like this, so I don't have all the proper tools. We're just working with what we have. So, I don't remember if I've mentioned this or not, but my hair has gotten longer since I tried these out. So my hair is pretty well the same length as the extensions at this point. There might be like, I don't know, a couple inches longer if I like stretch it out or whatever, but it looks much fuller. So the length has not gotten really longer, but like I said, my hair has grown out. So there's that. Like I said, I think the style held up really well. I just had them stored in the bag that they come in since the last time I used them. So that's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do, okay, so I have the original, like the inspo photo here, and then the way my hair looked the day of. So that is what we're trying to recreate here. So I'm gonna keep out some like face framing pieces. Maybe, let's see, maybe like these pieces, and I'm gonna clip them. Halloween has done past at this point, obviously, but I'm gonna use these little clips to clip these pieces. This is pieces separate. That's gonna get on my damn nerves. Okay, we're looking cute. So I'm going to want to make sure I'm still keeping the track covered. While doing an updo. So this is really going to test my abilities here. So this, I think there was some backcombing involved the day of. I don't love backcombing my hair anymore. I mean, I used to be the queen of the bump it, like the natural bump it. I didn't actually need a bump it. Okay, so it's just a small, like half up section. I'm gonna secure that with an elastic. We can like fluff the poof as we go along. Next, I'm gonna braid the others real quick. Okay, so here's our braid. I like pulled it apart, like, you know, fluffed it out quite a bit. It's supposed to be whimsical, whatever. So I'm going to try to hide this somehow with my hair being up. I think what I'm gonna do, because the braid was kind of off to the side a little bit, I'm gonna try to clip it over here. So then it just kind of falls. It's just kind of, I don't know, part of it, and we can add some more braids. Sorry, I had a text for some shells and cheese. So this is just going to kind of be hanging out in here. It might not be the most visible all the time, but like in person I can tell there is a braid there. So next up, do the bun part. And I cannot remember if she just twisted the hair. I think so. She might have braided it. I honestly cannot remember. It's gonna be a lot of double chin action, so I hope you're enjoying. I'm gonna do a quick kind of messy braid here, just to give some more fullness to the bun. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just some more texture and stuff. Okay. I'm going to kind of wad the bottom up. If you are a hairstylist and you are watching, please don't. So I didn't fully braid it. And then we're just going to take some of our pins do the wavy side down. If you don't know, that helps with grip. This might be a case of what the back of my hair looks like is none of my business. I don't know. I'm gonna go and take these clips out now since we've got it all sectioned off. Now you just go about like pinning to secure the bun. And now we can kind of pull this out a little bit more. Tuck that. And then kind of assess, where do we want more braids? Where do we want some twists? So I'm going to add some braids here. And I'll just speed through that for you guys. And I'm just going to go through adding some braids. Okay, so I ran out of storage on my phone, so I deleted some things and did a couple more braids, and now we're back. So I added a braid on this side, 2 braids on this side, and then we have this larger braid here. So lots of braids, lots of texture. Pulled these pieces out a little bit. These are the earrings that I had for the day. I didn't actually get to wear them on the day because we had a little bit of a mishap, but luckily one of my sisters had several gold earrings on deck, and so got to wear a pair of her earrings, so I had something borrowed. So yeah, I'm going to turn around and we will hope for the best. Like I said, I don't have a way to check the back. So there's that. I don't think you can see any of the tracks. Maybe you can. Again, not a pro. Oh, Greg's calling. Hold on. Okay. So there's that. Hopefully the back looks fine. Again, here are the photos we're going off of here. I think I added more braids than what I actually had day of. I don't recall completely, but I thought it'd be fun to add some more braids, just super easy braids, nothing over the top elaborate, like just your basic braids. Yeah, this was really fun. I've been excited to do this for you. Also, the makeup look that I'm wearing is a recreation of the makeup that I wore that day. Used the same products, except for the lip I have on right now is not the same lip that I had on that day. I had on a matte liquid lip that day for, you know, obvious reasons. Maybe one of those reasons. But yeah, everything else the same except for the lashes. That was the other thing that's different. That I had a bigger lash on that day, but this is just regular day. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, I'd be happy to record it for you and put it up here for you guys to see. So it's pretty much my same everyday makeup look with, you know, a little change to the eye makeup maybe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, I will put my code on the screen. It is IM_Jillian, and that will save you, I believe, 10 or 20%. My brain, I've had so many interruptions like with the phone and thing, I cannot recall 100% for sure if it's 10 or 20% on the Irresistible Me website, and I believe you can stack that on top of their Black Friday sale, which will be on Black Friday. It is up to 70% off of wigs and up to 65% off everything else. Again, I will get confirmation whether or not you can stack my code. I know normally you can stack my code on top of sales that they have. I just want to make for certain that you can also stack it on top of their Black Friday sale. So I will have that on the screen as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Again, if you want to see me unbox these extensions and use them for the first time, I will have that video linked for you down below. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!